All right, what's up, YouTube? So I'm here to talk about how it went. So I did a swap on my car. I've been putting a lot of STI parts, and those STI parts all bolt in, but they have to be from all the GD series STIs. They all bolt into my 2001 Forester. The latest thing that I did was the lateral links, the whole set, the upper and the lower. I think that's how you do the front and the rear lateral links. My car had a big giant problem, and that's why my alignment was never ever like even close to getting good. Every time they kept saying that my alignment would be maxed out, and that's all they could do. And this time they didn't even move it; they barely touched it. So it's amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the video that I'm about to show you guys right now, because it's the finished product. After I installed everything. As you can see right now, I'm just sitting in my car because I don't want to wake up my family right now. They're asleep. I just got home, and it was quite a bit of process just because I couldn't get that bolt out of behind the exhaust on the one that connects with the end link, the rear lateral link. I couldn't get it out until I moved the exhaust, and that was so annoying because I had a tow hitch on there, and it made it kind of hard to move the last hanger out the way. And but once I did, I just moved it down and the bolt came straight out, and that was pretty much the hardest part. Took me about 2 hours to do both sides, and I was kind of taking my time because I don't like to be frustrated or anything. So whenever I felt like I was gonna get frustrated, I took a little bit of time off from working on it. But it took about 2 hours to do the job from beginning to start, installing the lateral links, and putting on the end links as well. And honestly, it feels amazing, super good. Like it's really clean. It looks good on top of that. But the stability is completely amazing. I literally don't move around anymore. I still need to include the front end links. That'll be on a different video. But at the same time I do that, I'm gonna install the shifter linkage because I don't want this anymore. I have the front and rear bushings with the short throw, all Kartboy items, and Kartboy is amazing. If you want to buy any products for the polyurethane bushings, short throw, shifter, and links, go Kartboy. Honestly, #1 product. I have no complaints on them. I got real lucky because they are from here in San Diego, and I can go and exchange items and buy them in person. So that's the only benefit that I get from it. But their products are really good. Like I have no problem. Like at first it was the C shape. He gave me the C shape end links in the rear. But then I did the whole conversion because I have an STI sway bar. As you're gonna see in this video, I have all the rear components as a sway bar, except the bushing. The bushing is still a Forester, but I need to upgrade on that or get a new stock one, because they are really old. They are kind of cracking, and those are need for an upgrade. So it might be polyurethane bushing, but we will see in the future. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and that'll be now. Guys, so I thought I was filming, but I didn't film any of this. Or I did, but it didn't save. I have no idea why it didn't save. But on the back side of my car, I have a bunch of STI suspension. Literally only STI suspension. So right now, just install the lateral links and end links, and I have an STI sway bar. Let me see, sway bar installed. If you want to do this swap, you have to make sure that it's the longer ones. They are a bit shorter, some of them. You have to make sure that they are the longer version. but otherwise your alignment is going to be completely thrown off. So when you get these, make sure they are from the 06, 07 STI. I believe they're the ones that are longer. I almost messed up because on my wheels, or on my old ones, they were not from a Forester. I got them from the junkyard. The dude gave me the incorrect ones twice. But these ones are completely longer. Let me see if I can show you. This is all right. Stuck. Hold on. Alright, so these ones were from supposedly a Forester. These ones, but they are completely short. Look at this. Sorry. Let me see if I can hold it up right there. You can. Oh, stay right there. Right there. Perfect. So these are way too short. It's almost like an inch. And that was on both sides. But now they're both the same length. Honestly, probably gonna be a lot better now. Unfortunately, I didn't get none of the install. That sucks. I tried to see the video, the playback, and it was saying that the file was corrupted, so it didn't save anything. That sucks. But I mean, literally very simple right there. 19 millimeter nut and bolt to take out. What? La paleta. Sorry, trying to get an ice cream from the paletero man. Both of those right there, nut and bolt, or 17 millimeter right here. The caster bolt, that one is a 22 and the rear one is a 17. You don't really need to mess with that because then you're gonna need an alignment anyways, so you're not gonna do anything with that. And originally they are 14 millimeters to take off, the ones that are stock. But when you go Kartboy, these are 17 millimeters. So it makes everything a lot easier too when you want to replace them, just for the fact that everything's a 17 millimeter. But there you go. STI, pretty much STI rear, everything with installed into the 2001 Forester. Okay. Ow. Thank you. All right. Thank you guys. Peace. Because I need to get an alignment. We're gonna get that ready, and hopefully that's all squared away. I'm just getting my wallet and my headphones because I'm gonna be bored as hell walking home. So see you guys in a little bit.